If I really wanted to be a viral restaurant, I'd be posting content after content, trends after trends, but our social media has been little to like non-existent because I've always wanted my and our social media to be about storytelling, the story behind the restaurant, the story behind the food. When I first moved to Bangladesh, I had to learn everything on my own. I had to learn the business side of it and also pivot with the recipes I had, the cooking, because ingredients were so different. So over the course of years, I feel like I have pivoted so much that I feel a bit distant from the craft that I love. And the craft being creating beautiful dishes, creating memorable dishes, creating delicious dishes, creating amazing content, showing behind the scenes of those dishes. And it's okay to be business oriented. It is a business after all, and there are other people's livelihoods that depend on this business. So I just could not strike that balance. I feel like I am a bit more mature now as an entrepreneur where I can prioritize both. So I want to reclaim that balance, which is needed for me to be able to be a successful entrepreneur as well as be successful as a chef as well. Come on here and tell you guys that we are changing Evviva's menu completely next month. So we're scraping it all out. Don't kill me. We are keeping some of your favorite dishes. I don't want to get cancelled, but I will be posting episodes after episodes showing you guys some behind the scenes of how we come up with new dishes, the research, the trial and errors, and hopefully we will be able to launch the new menu by Mother's Day. Fingers crossed. I hope I do not get imposter syndrome. I hope this motivation keeps motivating me and I keep posting content. I'm not going to like focus too much on the editing and the sound effects because I want the content to be as natural and raw, and editing takes a lot of time, so we got no time. We are using that time to cook some delicious food for you guys. So I hope you guys are excited for Evviva's new menu. And meanwhile, if you want to enjoy our old menu or our current menu actually with our current prices, because definitely prices are not going to be the same, then this is the month to come enjoy all your favorite dishes and say a last goodbye to them, if they are gonna leave the menu, that is, and you won't find out until May. While we are also working on the new menu, we will also be launching a brunch menu, working on the brunch menu. So we're launching a brunch menu soon and a new menu by Mother's Day. Fingers crossed. Pray for me. I don't know how to end these videos, so bye.